Time check. It's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. No? To be exact, ano siya, quarter to 9 p.m. in the evening. Today is a very fine day, sunny day. So, ganito ang Norway, guys. This is Norway during summer with, if it's a sunny day, makita mo pa rin ang araw kahit gabi na. Quarter to 9 p.m. No? Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful scenery. Thank you, Lord. Wala tayong masyadong pollution dito, guys. No? Yan. Bye!